on your
Oh,
chickens.
so she's looking up the cube, and then she chews it. Looks up the cube and chews it. Oh my goodness! Do you have all the stuff you need, or
Need some salt.
salt? Oh, I didn't think about salt.
I didn't either.
I just figured it was all.